Anyone who has taken an online course has probably experienced the frustration of a slow loading platform, or worse, an entire class that crashes halfway through. As learners and educators, we rely on these platforms. Any hiccup can cause major disruption, but don't worry, there's a solution to it. Hello everyone, how are you? I'm Vishali, lead QA at 9 Technology, and I am back again today with a new video on quality assurance. Today we are diving into how quality assurance in EdTech ensures that you get the best possible learning experience without tech headaches. First, let's talk about the EdTech explosion. During the pandemic, the EdTech industry skyrocketed, growing from $250 billion in 2020 to an expected $605 billion by 2027. It's like upgrading your education to high speed mode, but with great growth comes with great challenges. Did you know that 40% of the students drop out of online courses due to the poor user experience? Whether it is glitches, inaccessible contents, or confusing interfaces, bad QA can derail even the best learning intentions. So, what exactly is quality assurance? Think of it as the digital safety net ensuring EdTech platform works like a charm. QA involves testing for bugs, improving accessibility, and guaranteeing a smooth, glitch free user experience. For learners, it means a distraction free environment. For the educators, it means reliable tools to teach. And for the institutions, it's about credibility and trust. Imagine if your favorite learning videos did not upload or Coursera test kept crashing. Quality assurance ensure that it does not happen anywhere. Let's get real. Remember the early days of Byju's when users complained about clunky navigation. By investing in rigorous QA processes, they turned things around, becoming one of the most user-friendly platforms in the EdTech space. What's interesting is that some online education portal has been consistently working on improving their mobile app interface, making sure their students don't experience the dreaded buffering or glitches that often disrupt the learning. They also provide offline content, which was a game changer in rural areas where internet connectivity is often unreliable. On the flip side, there was an infamous case of smaller edtech startup. Those app kept clogging students out mid-class. The result, a 30% drop in the user retention. They eventually resolved it, but it's a lesson. QA is not optional, it is essential. Now let's talk about the cool cutting edge stuff. AI-driven QA tools are all the rage, automating error detection faster than you can say the machine learning. Recently, one of the greatest tech platform integrated AI-powered chatbots into their platform to assist the students, handle technical issues, and providing real-time solution to the problems. This proactive approach is enhancing their user experience, making learning seamless for millions of the students. We are also seeing trends like blockchain for secure credentialing and advanced analytics to predict user behavior. Imagine a platform that fixes bugs before you even notice them. That's the future of QA in EdTech, smart, proactive, and learner-centric. And let's not forget accessibility. Tools are evolving to ensure EdTech platforms meet global standards so that every learner, regardless of ability, gets an equal shot at success. At the end of the day, EdTech without quality assurance is like a teacher showing up without a lesson plan, chaotic, unproductive, and let's face it, downright awkward. So next time when you enjoy a seamless online class or breeze through an interactive module, remember that quality assurance made it happen. And hey, if you ever survived a glitching robot teacher, thank a QA professional. Learning should always be seamless and fun.